Top 5 tip to disinfect your office. One way wipe down. Wipe down a surface is one direction and do not go back over in the opposite direction because you will deposit germs. You just clean up. Routinely wipe down all frequently touched surfaces such as workstation, countertop, and do not forget door knob. Number 2, color code cleaning. Color code cloth for specific so you do not cross containment the kitchen cloth with the bathroom cloth and discard immediately after use. Smart spray on the bottle. Common household disinfect through the ability to kill 99.5 bacteria and virus including human virus, fellow strain, and among other building solution. It sanitize spray is the best protection against office germs. Number 4, teach technician disinfection. Do not forget wipe down employee laptop, mouse, and exceptionally cell phone. One study by a basic researched platform found we touch our cell phone 100 times a day. Other recent studies indicate the average adult bring their fingers to their nose or arms. On human touch and the touch we touch use of electronic spare disinfecting system in the gold standard for attacking germ difficult to reach space and post hand washing to drying sign everywhere from the kitchen to the bathroom is a reminder to employee to wash hand with a alcohol based and sanitize with the warm water and soap for least 20 seconds. Case of accident in manual handling. Improper lifting, carrying too heavy load, improper gripping, failure to use personal protection equipment. 5, lifting crazy, oily, and poor physics assistance. Number 5, pathway is not blocked by obstacles while carrying the load. 6, the different actions, movement, and force is necessary while carrying the load. 7, modify the task by using hook and crow bar. Number 8, mechanical equipment like crane shall be used. Number 9, modify the object. Number 10, change the way things are used. Case of accident mechanical handling. The sudden failure of wire rope or chain. Number 2, slipping of the load from the ceiling. Number 3, swing of the load at the time of lifting. Number 4, the load sometimes hit the man. Number 5, what are the accident in poor housekeeping? Man getting hit by falling from our head. Number 2, men sleeping a greasy, wet or dirty floor. 3, men falling in open tank without cover in level floor. Accident due to poor lighting. Fire accident due to faulty electrical wires. What are the advantage in good housekeeping? It help in the how to care and maintain of hand tools. Tool must be keep clean and free from corrosion. Number 2, keep metal part lightly oiled. Remove burrs from edge of a tool and head of chisels. 4, tools which are not in used must be stored separately. 5, a good worker regularly inspect his tool. 6, do not use the tool without handles. How to prevent accident of power tools? The operation should wear face shield or safety glass. Number 2, power tools should be placed in the storeroom after use. Number 3, power tool should have protect by guard. Number 4, not a hose or electric cable of power tool should not pass through passageway. Number 5, the electric power tool should be properly earthed. Number 6, never horseplay with hose of tools. Number 7, power tool machine should be maintained and operated properly. What is the cases of accident of hard tool? Due to wrong way use of tool. Number 2, due to defect condition of tool. Number 3, due to failure of use right tool for right job. Number 4, due to wrong way of carrying tool. Number 5, due to strong of tool unsafety. What precautions are necessary in electrical work? All electrical installation shall be as per Pakistan electric rule. Number 2, only competent person should handle the electrical equipment. Number 3, equipment should be earthed properly. All temporary electric line should be drawn at least above main height 5. Number 5, cable should be completely insulated. Number 6, cable should not have any joint, only connection for one point. Good. Number 8, good housekeeping on the area. Number 9, fire protection equipment to be kept nearby. 10, use rubber gloves and rubber boot. Number 11, use good quality of wire. Number 12, power isolation close to the job. 13, use 3-pin plug instead of loose wire. 14, never operate any electrical equipment with wet hand. 15, never stand wet surface while working electrical equipment during thunderstorm, and do not stand under tree. 17, proper signboard is necessary. Number 18 point number, no person shall work on any live electrical. The switch shall only be put on by person. Thanks for listening my video. I meet next video. Thank you.